Stop right there, so. Gala, when me do you make you do me that? Gala, when me do you make you do me that? Gala, when me do you make you do me that?
You lucky, me no do you no it.
We all know them, and they flaunted their love in the public's eye. Welcome to Jamaican Things, and today we'll be counting down 10 controversial Jamaican celebrity breakups. If you enjoy our videos, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Number 10. Lady Saw and John John. The then Queen of Dancehall, Marion Hall, popularly known as Lady Saw, called it quits from her veteran music producer boyfriend, Lloyd James. After being together for 17 years, the couple called it quits after it was revealed that John impregnated another woman. Lady Saw is now a minister in the church after she got baptized in 2015. Number 9. Yendi Phillips and Asafa Powell. When news broke that Miss Universe 2010 runner-up Yendi Phillips and former 100-meter world record holder Asafa Powell were together, they made news headlines. The two kept their relationship quiet until news broke to the public of infidelity on both sides. The couple called it quits in 2011, and Asafa Powell is currently dating Canadian model Alicia Miller. Number 8. Beenie Man and D'Angel. When Beenie Man and D'Angel tied the knot in 2006, it was one of the most talked about weddings in Jamaica's history. Fast forward to 2011, and it was all over. D'Angel was in a long-term relationship with the warlord bounty killer before getting involved with his den nemesis, the girls them sugar, Beenie Man. Beenie Man's love interest is now former Miss Jamaica Festival queen and TV host Crystal Tomlinson. Number 7. Chris Martin and Cecile. Self-proclaimed dancehall's bad gal Cecile Carlton and Mr. Big Deal Christopher Martin kept their relationship as private as possible. Rumors started that the two were officially an item when the two were seen at various events in Kingston, Jamaica. Soon after, Cecile's baby bump started to show, and in August 2012, they welcomed an adorable baby girl. The couple split after just 4 years together. Chris Martin is now dating architecture student Brittany Newman. Number 6. Tessanne Chin and Michael Cuff Jr. No one saw this one coming. After her triumphant win in NBC's The Voice, rumors started that Tessanne and her husband were having marital troubles. In 2015, sources close to the couple confirmed that Cuff Jr. moved out of the couple's marital home. This made headlines in local tabloids. To this day, no one knows the real cause of the breakup. Number 5. Beenie Man and Carlene Smith. She is infamous for the butterfly dance, and he is the self-proclaimed king of the dancehall. Together, they were the hottest couple in dancehall in the 1990s. The couple was regularly seen on stage together during Beenie Man's performances and videos such as Wicked Islam, Nuff Gal, and Kettle Drum. In 1999, the couple had a daughter, but in the year 2000, Smith ended the relationship, insisting the breakup was amicable. Number 4. Usain Bolt and Mitzi Evans. Usain Bolt became an overnight sensation after his amazing Beijing performance. At the time, he was dating his first serious girlfriend, Mitzi Evans. The couple dated for 5 years. After cheating rumors began to surface, the couple broke up. After their breakup, Mitzi and Bolt have remained close friends. Usain Bolt is now dating stunning Jamaican beauty Cassie Bennett. Number 3. Yendi Phillips and Chino. After her split from Asafa Powell, Yendi quickly found love, but this time in the music industry. In April of 2012, Yendi announced to her fans on social media that she was expecting her first child, and the baby daddy was a shocker. Social media went into a frenzy when they learned that it was Chino. Then, in the blink of an eye, it was over, and it got nasty. With Yendi filing for child support, the couple called it quits officially in 2014. Number 2, Camille McDonald and Jacure. They had a luxurious wedding ceremony in 2011. Reggae singer Jacure and his media personality wife Camille McDonald seemed to have been inseparable. They were the perfect match, which is why when news broke that the two were divorcing, it was a huge surprise to many. Sources close to the couple had revealed that Camila had moved out of the home she shared with Jacure. The couple shares a beautiful daughter, Kalani. Before we unveil our number 1 pick, here are a few honorable mentions. Number 1, I-Shawna and Foota Hype. It was all glitz and glamour at Foota Hype's anniversary celebration in 2013 when he asked his then girlfriend of 8 years, I-Shawna, to marry him, as the two were one of dancehall's most steady couples. But in 2014, it was all over. Following reports made by I-Shawna that the sound selector was abusing her, she also reported dissatisfaction in the bedroom and infidelity. After the breakup, Foota Hype made statements that he will do a DNA test to prove paternity for their son. Do you agree with our list? Subscribe to Jamaican Things. Thanks for watching.